Hello and welcome to the second part of this video of market update from 6th of May to 10th of May 2024. In this video, we'll be discussing about the markets, how the market was in the last week and what are the future, how does the next week look like. So starting with the weekly performance, there was a lot of news coming in the market that the incumbent government might not be able to might not be able to either win the election or might not be able to come into majority in the elections. And there was some panic that we could sense in the market because of that. So we saw a weak market and therefore the Sensex corrected by 1.64%, Nifty 50 corrected by 1.87%, Nifty Bank corrected by 3%, Nifty Midcap was down by 2.75%, Nifty Midcap 150 was down by 2.56%, and Nifty Small Cap 100 was down by 4.9%. With this correction, the PE valuations for the Nifty 50 trailing PE had reached 21.3, which is below 2 years average and below 5 years average. Nifty 150 trailing PE is at 34.7, close to 2 years and 5 years high. The Nifty Small Cap 100 trailing PE is at 25.6, above 2 years average and below 5 years average. So the valuations on the large cap index was definitely seem to be coming to a lower side, whereas the mid cap and small cap are still on the higher side. If we look at the Buffett indicator, which is the total, which represents the total market cap to the GDP, the ratio was 96.58, which shows that the market is fairly valid. On the Indian government bond side, this Indian government or 10-year government bond are trading at 7.127%. The yield curve on the short-term maturity, the mid-term to short-term and long-term to short-term maturities are still flat. Now we move to the candle chart. If we look, as we had discussed in the last time on the daily charts, Nifty on 3rd of May, that was on Friday, formed a bearish engulfing red candle, and as expected, it fell significantly over the last week, breaking the level of 22,000. However, again on the Friday, that is 10th of May, it managed to close above 22,000, forming a small green bullish Harambee candle, which could mean that the Nifty could be reversing, which could mean that there's a potential reversal possibility from here. If we look at the broader, picture, Nifty has been moving in a sideways pattern. Since 20th of February, it has been moving in a range of 21,850 to 22,800. So even if Nifty continues to fall, the level of 21,750 and to 21,800 seems to be a very significant support level for Nifty. Now moving on to the weekly channel, if we look at the weekly candle chart, Nifty had been moving sideways, which is clearly for quite some time. That is if we look at from 18th of December 2023 to 19th of February 2024, it has stayed in a range of 21,100 to 22,100. Even when it was moving, it was in an up mode, it stayed between the channel, and and they expected to remain sideways in this channel till the elections results are out. Now we move to the Nifty Midcap on the daily charts. Nifty Midcap, I discussed last time, had shown a bearish engulfment candle, and for the rest of the week it followed the suit, bringing the Nifty Midcap to as low as 48,065. However, on the last day, there was a hammer candle that is formed, that is the green hammer candle that can be seen on the chart, which could indicate a possible reversal. However, if we move to the weekly candle pattern, we see that there's a 3 candle pattern that is forming. We have which could indicate a further fall. So the weekly and the daily chart is showing that the market is showing a mixed results, and the market needs to be seen how it will move in the mid cap and the small cap category in the next week. How the bulls and the bears A similar pattern could be seen on the small cap side, where after the last week red bearish engulfment, the market followed the suit, and we could see the fall happening on the daily chart. And the last day we could see a hammer formation, which could indicate that there could be a reversal happening in the market, but we need a confirmation candle for that. However, again if you look at the on the weekly chart, the weekly chart is still indicating that the three candle pattern might show that there could be a reversal happening. So again, the next week come important for on the perspective of the mid cap and a small cap, whereas we could see that the maybe the Nifty 50 or the broader larger index might be in a might move up, but it would remain a range bound for this. So this was all from my side. I hope you got good information from my side. Do share, subscribe, like to my video, so you could get these updates on weekly basis. Thank you.